Just a quick one because it's raining out. Made a new bottom for the crapper. And now we're going to try to tip it back up. The bottom of this thing was pretty bad. So I just put some wood on there right now to clamp it through. Trying to save the structure of the building here. You got in the mud with the go-kart. Hard to see in the outhouse here, but looks like maybe some Sears catalogs in here. I don't judge. So did you put all these girl pictures in here?
Nope.
Huh?
Nope.
It's 1960s Sears catalog pictures.
Yeah, look, it's an R.
Oh yeah, people have carved their names in here. All right, well that's the inside of the outhouse. So you're the Flash. How fast can you poop, Flash? So this is the latest rendition of the outhouse here. Might do some with the roof yet. We got the bottom kind of patched in a piece here. This is where the water got in there. This was all rotten, so just kind of patched a piece there. Try to save the original floor. So there's a bunch of carvings and graffiti in here, but raised it up to a more comfort height. So I've got this board is just loose here for now. You can see underneath there I've got two buckets in there, but we'll have to get some seats. This is a kid-size seat here. Childcraft, Hamilton Manufacturing, Two Rivers, Wisconsin. So that'll handle the kids, but this one here is a fairly good-sized hole, so we'll need some sort of a seat on top of that one. And as you can kind of see, there's some holes in here. We're used to ventilate, but not anymore. So we'll probably get this, put a latch on there, so now you can get in and out. And so the outside should be fairly weather tight, and that steel should make a structure. It was getting pretty soft on the bottom, and it's actually screwed to this pallet, so that pallet will keep it off the ground. Oh yeah, and we got the we updated the toilet paper roll here. So this is the toilet paper roll holder. We got a focus. Got a finish nail on that side and a nail at the head on this side, so you can put it into this hole, and then there's a slot over there. Put it in your roll, into the hole, into the slot, and now you got paper. Rustic. So you're gonna be the first guy to poop in there?
Yeah.
Don't do it now. I got work to do yet. I don't want to smell your butt in there the whole time. So one of the things that I forgot to do as I was putting the video together was give you a final tour of the outhouse. So a little later than we did the other videos. You can see there's a little bit of snow on the roof, but this is the original interior. So I put this cover on here. There's little tubs in there. That's not original. Had to add this board at the bottom to bring it up to more of a comfort height. So it's not quite original, but it is the original base here. And then we've got my grandpa's brother and a few other people on here. I'm not sure who all these people are. Have engraved their names in the inside. Let's see, we got some kind of a mouse nest up there. Huh. Take care of that. Get some rat poison or something in here. There's our kind of hand sanitizer setup. We do have corn cobs for the original experience. That's the original paper holder, like I said, with the weird piece of stick on there. And then, well, yeah, all sorts of stuff going on. Like I'm gonna have to get some stuff in here to keep them from making a little home. It's like they're having a good time in here. Anyway, so that's the just some other stuff here, more initials and whatnot. But so that's the inside of the outhouse in its new configuration. Trying to keep it functional. I'm gonna have to clean this up next time I'm over here. But yeah, so there it is. That would be the final version. So we got steel on the outside, protecting it for the next 100 years. Roof, that's the original roof. Just put some paint on it, which looks like it's rusting already. So you may have to replace that. Maybe put some trim on it, but anyway, it's portable now. It's a porta potty. You put the pallet forks in there, and you're good to go. All right, have a good one, guys.